First, we lead the bulb into compatible pairing mode. Press the switch 5 times repeatedly at an interval of every once. The quick flash indicates the device enters the compatible pairing mode. Find an access point in your phone's Wi-Fi setting. Enter the password 12345678. After adding the device, you can browser accesses the URL. Fill in your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Success! The bulb has entered DIY mode. Now turn on computer and connect to the same Wi-Fi. We use Postman to create and send the command. Type http:// IP frownyface port /0conf/switch in the URL. IP is the IP address of bulb. Port is fixed to 8081. Enter the device ID. You can find the device ID when you access the point. We can get the information about the bulb. Turn off or turn on. Dimmable, the color temperature. Maybe you like the cold light? Or want a red light? Take it easy. Choose a gradual light. The above instructions can be viewed via this link. Let SONOFF Smart LED Bulb B02 BL and B05 BL bring more convenience to your life.